In this video, we're going to talk about 4.1 metric volume conversions. I'm going to be showing you the dimensional analysis technique in this video. So let's go ahead and get started. 0.325 liters. And we're going to convert by saying that 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters. There's also a technique that they tell you about in the textbook, where they tell you with metric system how to just move the decimal point right or left. I like to show you the conversion factor so that you know when you multiply by 1,000, that's why you're moving the decimal point 3 places to the right. If you want to check that with your calculator, 0.325 times 1,000. You can confirm that. It's not just magic moving the decimal point, but that is kind of the point of the decimal system, base 10, the metric system, so that we can just move the decimal point left and right. So let's go ahead and look at the next problem here. 30 milliliters times, and then there's 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter. So we're dividing by 1,000, which means we're going to move the decimal point 3 places to the left this time. 30 divided by 1,000. It's going to be 0.03. Milliliters are going to cancel, and we'll be left with liters. Now we want to convert 7.5 liters to milliliters. 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters. We're going to move the decimal point 3 places to the right. 7.5 times 1,000. Again, your teacher may expect you to do this without a calculator, so you may need to just know how to move the decimal points. When you're going from a smaller unit to a bigger unit, we're going to be moving the decimal point to the left. When you're going from a bigger unit to a smaller unit, we're going to be moving the decimal point to the right. And that's the rationale that's used here for these problems. So let's just go ahead and try and I'll set up the problem, but let's try and use the rationale that's here. So 1,500 milliliters to liters. We're going to be dividing by 1,000 milliliters, 1 liter. So we're going to be moving the decimal point 3 places to the left. And when we do that, that's going to be 1.5 liters. At 2.1 liters to milliliters, we're going to be changing from liters to milliliters. We're going to be multiplying by 1,000 and moving the decimal point 3 places to the right. So this is going to be 2,100 milliliters. Now we need to, in this last problem, convert ounces to milliliters. So 5 fluid ounces. And that 1 fluid ounce is 30 milliliters. Fluid ounces will cancel. 5 times 30 is 150. And there we go. That's our last problem in this section. And that was your dimensional analysis technique. In the next video, I'm going to come back, do these same problems again, but I'm going to use the ratio and proportion technique instead. I'll be doing that with each topic here in Chapter 4, showing you both the dimensional analysis technique and the ratio and proportion technique. So I'll see you for the next video.